Hello, we are Ecoco, and these are our team members. Together, we are transforming coconut waste into sustainable goods while empowering communities for a greener and better future. Ecoco seeks to mitigate the waste of coconut residues that end up in landfills being burned, giving them a second chance by turning them into products. In this way, we contribute to Sustainable Development Goal number 13. Our products become substitute for those products that are harmful to both the environment and health. We seek to improve consumption habits, contributing to SDG 12. And finally, in our production process, we seek to provide decent jobs, contributing to SDG number 9. Now, here we present you Ecoco's mission and vision. Ecoco creates 2 products made of coconut fiber composed of these elements. According to a recent analysis, coconut is the 6th most cultivated fruit species in the world, with an annual production of approximately 63 tons. Here is presented the principal coconut producing countries, where Mexico ranks 9th with 1,119 tons in 2022. Currently, 83% of coconut shells are considered as waste. Knowing the amount of tons that are produced each year, it's alarming the percentage that is wasted. In order to have local data, we interviewed 6 coconut sellers in the city of Veracruz. In a day, an average of 153 coconut shells are wasted in this city. Burning the coconut shells contributes to global warming due to the greenhouse gases that are generated during its combustion. These gases are not only harmful to human health, but also to the environment. We produce 2 products, pots and a repellent, both made of coconut fiber. Our process begins with obtaining our raw materials, remunerating our interest group, the king of the coconut. Raw materials are transported. Coconuts are crushed to obtain coconut fiber, discarding the husk. A mixture is made that will help us unite the coconut fiber of both products. Finally, we mold and let it dry to obtain our finished products ready to use. These are some plant suggestions that you can use with your Ecoco pot. In order to use an Ecoco pot, we have to have the plant we want ready, pour some soil or substrate for growing plants, put our plant in the pot, finish filling the pot with soil or substrate, and finally, add a little of water. Don't forget that this pot is for external use only. Here are some testimonials from people who have already tried our pot. 2 users, after using the pot for a few weeks, rated it as a durable, eco-friendly product with a nice design. According to a survey of 50 people, 76% of the responses agreed that one of the reasons for buying an Ecoco pot will be the environmental impact. To use the fly repellent, we must light the tip with the help of a match until it starts to smoke a little and let it burn out. The repellent must be changed once burned. Now, about the mosquito repellents, 2 of the users who used the product mentioned that they like the aroma and that it is made with natural ingredients. In addition, respondents mentioned that the repellent sounds innovative and promising due to the fact that it is natural and non-toxic. Currently, our stakeholders are the Department of Chemical Engineering of Universidad Veracruzana, the Municipal Women's Institute of Veracruz, and the King of Coconut, as the main supplier of coconut fiber. In our business model, we explain our project pointing out the viability, profitability, and desirability. Our value propositions are focused on our customer segments, where we can reach them through our channels, looking for a long-term relationship with our clients and making profits. For that, we need our online and productive resources and focus on our key activities, which are focused on the process of making our products and promoting them. As stakeholders, we focus on people who can contribute with technical, publicity, and raw material support to make the project profitable and sustainable. Our customer segmentation covers 4 areas. Gardening, for people interested in floriculture as a hobby or professionally. Sustainability, aimed at environmentally conscious people looking to buy sustainable and biodegradable products. Communities affected by mosquito infestation that live near rivers or lagoons. Eco-friendly shops, stores dedicated to sell products for people interested in sustainability. We are creating a loyalty program that includes giving away plant seeds and soil with the purchase of 3 packs of 10 pots. Also, we implement communication strategies by giving conferences in our school about the social and environmental benefits of our project. At this point, it is important to mention that coconut fiber pots are not new in the market, but at least in Veracruz, these kind of pots were not well known. According to our surveys, these were our results. Respondents also mentioned that they were looking for durability in their pots, since most of them have plastic pots, a material that tends to break easily. Also, they expressed they'd like to have different sizes in pots and specific instructions on how to use the products. Ecoco repellent is 100% natural. It's made of coconut fiber and citronella, which makes a non-harmful and environmentally friendly product. We asked people if they have problems with their usual repellents, and these were the answers. To mention just one example, these are the chemical compositions and dangers of a type of repellent that is very popular in Mexico. The social impact of Ecoco pots covers 3 areas: rescuing coconuts discarded in landfills, being a socially responsible company in the production process, and finally, replacing plastic pots, which are very used. Now, the social impact of Ecoco repellents is aimed at replacing chemical repellents that damage the environment and health, and also of spreading information about their harmful effects. And finally, and most important, to reduce the mosquito-borne diseases. From 1980 to 2024, Mexico has the 2nd highest number of dengue cases, only behind Brazil. And only in 2023, Veracruz, or city, reported 1,498 cases of dengue. Now, here are our 4 pillars as a strategy for the development of Ecoco, presenting you our abilities, our potential alliances, and our transparent communication. Our break-even point, considering our selling price, variable and fixed costs, is 74 pots and 399 repellents. According to our calculations, the monthly cost of producing 150 pots will be of $316 and $1,614 for the production of 3,000 repellents. Our monthly profits for selling 150 pots and 3,000 repellents is $1,004. Because we are a business that is starting, our production and profits are small. However, we expect to grow in the future in production and revenues. This is how Ecoco integrates ESG parameters. For our crowdsourcing campaign, we met online with Alejandro Diaz, who shared with us his opinion on the project and also advices. For our offline campaign, we developed a conference aimed at our colleagues to tell them about the environmental and social benefits of our products in order to receive voluntary donations. We also had a QR code that we shared with teachers, neighbors, and students.